By law, Jock Palfreeman should have been home by now. Instead, he's fighting his case at Bulgaria's highest court.
But of course, he's in big stress because for this uncertainty, we don't know what will going to happen. And I think if they decide to return Jock back in the prison, it will be a real catastrophe.
The 32-year-old was granted parole last month, sparking a furious backlash in Bulgaria. Now, at the request of prosecutors, the Supreme Court has adjourned to consider whether to overturn that decision.
This kind of procedure have never happened in our legal history. This is for the first time. Yes, it's a political pressure.
Palfreeman has served 11 years of a 20-year sentence for fatally stabbing a law student, Andrei Monov, and attempting to murder another man in 2007. His legal team says newly released footage of that night supports his long-standing claim he acted in self-defence.
In Bulgaria, we have no justice. No justice.
Far-right political parties in Bulgaria have used Palfreeman's case to criticise the judiciary.
Judges who release him, they made mistake.
Australian officials remain on the ground in Sofia.
We're here to continue to provide consular assistance to Mr Palfreeman.
Jock Palfreeman faces yet another night in this immigration detention centre when in fact he has all the documentation required to return to Australia a free man. If some Bulgarian politicians have their way, he'll be sent back to prison for another 10 years. After spending a third of his young life in a Bulgarian jail, Jock Palfreeman's fate remains in the hands of a justice system he deeply distrusts. Bridget Brennan, ABC News, Sofia.